I have special guests with me. My amazing son, Cayden. Show me your shirt.
Look at this.
Yep, we were there. We will be testing none other than the contents of the WWE SlamCrate. What do you think's in here? What is this? Let me see. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is.
We got his shirts.
The Hardy Boys. Reborn by Fate.
I don't like them.
He doesn't like them. I'm a fan of them. I was very upset they won at WrestleMania, though. I think they could have won it the next night, but not at WrestleMania. That is a great shirt that we will be able to at least utilize on our WWE events. Do we got here, Cayden?
Oh, what in the world?
It looks like a Slam Star, but oh, look at what I'm wearing. Undertaker! Show it up for him. Okay, go ahead and read it. No, let's read it first.
WWE Slam Stars is a new collectible series created by fans for fans. The debut collection, designed by Brian Fertilli of the Creation Crib, creates the iconic superstars of the Attitude Era.
Okay, look at that. It has got a ring. A ring. So what we'll do after is we will set this up in the ring.
But look at the figure. Look at him in his Venom mask.
Isn't that cool? Oh, put his hat back on. Gotta have his hat.
This is so cool. So very cool.
Okay, so what it looks like, that, these will go in here like so, just like that. This will go in here like so.
Same with that one.
And that is correct. Oh, if I can get it in. Oh, I just dropped another piece.
Got it.
I don't know, I'm not 100% sure what that's for, but it just goes on the outside. And then, bam. Here, where's his hat? Let's put his hat on. And then, there it is. I love it. That is really, really cool. Well, next we have, now that is cool,
Wow.
a United States Championship pin. Absolutely wonderful. That is so cool. I'll show you the inside of the box.
Oh, what is this? What? What? Oh, good.
There, let's flip it over.
Oh,
Does that look like?
hot rods.
That's exactly what it looks like. I should have worn my Hot Rod shirt. Rest in peace, Rowdy Roddy Piper! Love it. What an amazing towel. Then we have SlamCrate Extreme Rules, where it actually gives you some insight on different things going on. Now, oh, and then we got a poster. Oh, what do you think the poster's of?
Dean.
There's Dean right there. Oh! So upset he lost at No Mercy. The monster among us.
I don't even care.
He doesn't even care, but guess what? We were actually at No Mercy. If you want to see that footage, you can go over to our main channel at Mom's Vlog 80. We actually have a whole WWE playlist where a lot of the events we go to. But, hey, what do you think of these gifts we got in this crate?
They're okay.
They're okay. Till next time. Oh,
Wish I could collect more of these though.
yeah. Oh, we lost his Phantom mask.
I'm just looking how cool it is. It even comes with his mask and everything.
So we...
Elijah would have freaked out.
Oh!
Ooh.
If we so choose to, what